Very good. So let's talk about the foundation of it again. Heels in line. Feet are, out edge of the feet are parallel to each other. Very good. And then arms shoulder level, palms facing down. Very good. And here we turn the right toes out, but not the hip. So sometimes foot cannot turn all the way if you are in the limit of the hips. Let's do it again, parallel. So if you want to keep the pelvis as it is, how far the foot go? Exactly. So let's leave it there, yeah? Because it will open even more. No.
If I want to be honest.
No, you use your space, of course, not the, that's good, yes, very good. So then, lovely, and then reaching on the right fingertips to the side, lengthen to the side, very good. In here, basically we bring the femur into the socket. Very good. So see if there is more turn happening here. Very nice.
Yes.
Magic.
So is this valid? Can I do that? Can I start with less angle and then
Of
as
course.
the femur goes in?
Of course, because then you are working in the deep muscles as well. Because otherwise what we do is we trick. Okay, but this is easy, yeah? We want to reach to the muscle that we never knew, yeah? So yes, lengthen, and then with the exhale, down. Here, palms facing forward, both of them, very good. And we talked about that the spine needs to be parallel to the ground, so we don't drop. What happens if the head is down, yeah? Exactly. So that actually disturbs the alignment, doesn't it? If you see it on yourself on the mirror. Bravo, exactly. And it is like chin tucked in a little bit, so back of the neck. So we feel all the length through the spine to the crown of the head. Wonderful. And this can also have maybe more space to go in. This is the arm, sometimes we push backwards, but that's not correct. We keep it on the top of the shoulder. So what we want here, breathe, yeah? What we want here to actually make the turn from the, yes, ribs, like shoulder blade line. You can come up if you are, if you had enough. Well, exactly. If you're going too far down, maybe it's too much for the body. So we can come up a little bit.
Too much for me.
Yeah. So it's just about to have the alignment right, not the going so far down, you know. So lovely. The other side. Maybe these toes can come in a little bit. Bravo, yes. Or heel out, yes. Not too much, but just have the grab of the ground. We always need the back leg as well in the whole posture, yeah? Okay. Very good. So yes, the gazing is up to thumb, forward or down, depending on the neck, how the neck feels. So here, imagine if you want to go so far down, this is curving. We don't want this curve, we want a straight line, yeah? That's why you can come up a little bit, yes. How does it feel?
Good.
And also the knee, we do not lock the knee. So we actually make the muscles to learn the posture, yeah? So how if you turn your chest a little bit upwards and keep the, bravo. Now you see gazing to that line, yeah? Beautifully. Very good. And breathing. Wonderful. You can come up. Very good.